Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning. If you're a loyal subscriber and if you're new here, come and stay. Welcome. If you love synthetic wig reviews, this is a channel for you. Guys, don't forget to follow me on social media. I have Instagram and TikTok. I mainly do my wig installs on TikTok, and YouTube is just for the reviews. If you're feeling this look, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay, so y'all, this wig, I bought this a while ago. Oh, I already showed y'all. I bought this wig a while ago because I just had this style in mind, like this look that I want to do. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get this done for you guys today. Actually tonight. I'll probably I'll probably do the install tomorrow morning, and I'll finish the video after that. But I want to get this first part out today. So this is by Outre, and this is the infamous Anabel wig, okay? So this wig came out a while ago, but I have a look in mind. So I was looking for a long 30-inch. This is probably longer than 30-inch blonde bust down. That's what I got with this Anabel wig. And this is part of Outre's lace front wig line. It is pre-plucked, it says, with the lace parting and the natural baby hairs. It's HD lace, transparent lace, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes in a variety of other colors. But look how long she is on the model. The model looks tall. I would say the model is probably like 5'7". I'm 5'2", so you know this joint is long. So yeah, it does come down a little bit longer than the model. It comes to like the top of my thigh. She's a lovely 6'13". So this is the cap construction. This is how she looks on the inside. You will have to tint the lace. I'm definitely gonna have to pluck her also, which that's fine. But she does come with baby hairs. It says pre-plucked, but I'm not even worried about how much pluck it is, because I'm just gonna like pull the baby hairs out and make it work. So this is how long she is. She's pretty crimps. Love some crimps. I have her on. This is what she looks like. Like I said, you're gonna have to pluck the parts. So this is what the hairline looks like. It does cover my natural hairline for the most part. Oh my gosh, let me get up on the chair so you can see. Let me get on my couch. Guys, look at this. Look at this. We're gonna make this work. So it look crazy right now. I look like Rapunzel. But we're gonna make this work, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and run over to TikTok, record the install, and come back over here with my final thoughts. All right? Stay tuned. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. And y'all gonna be like low-key mad at me. Maybe not. I don't know. But I did, like I said, I recorded the install on TikTok, but once I put her on, I was like, yo, there's no way I'm gonna be able to wear this wig at the house. It was super thick, like super thick. So I thinned it out. And I kind of fake thinned it out on the TikTok. So you could see like how it looked before and after. But this John, it looked so fake before I thinned it out. And of course it's synthetic. And I'm not saying to say that human hair is real. Well, it is real in terms of like the actual material. But a wig is a wig is a wig. Synthetic or human. I just wanted to look more natural in terms of if it was going to be on my head. Of course, human hair wigs tend to look more natural because they have a natural density, natural flow. And the thing with synthetic hair is what a lot of synthetic wigs would stop it from having that natural flow is that they be adding a lot of hair. Like, it's a natural cuticle gets thinner towards the bottom. Synthetic hair doesn't, obviously, because it's not naturally grown. So when a synthetic wig is made, it's thick from the root to the bottom of the wig. And so that's the point of thinning it out, and so it has like more of a natural flowy texture, natural density all the way to the bottom, which is, I'm sitting on my tippy toes because this is super long, but it goes all the way to the bottom of my butt. I look a little bloated. No, I'm good. I look good. So yeah, it goes all the way to the bottom of my butt, but it looks good in my opinion. I did fluffy baby hairs because when it comes to like blonde or colored hair, thinner baby hairs, if it's like a lighter color, it blends into brown skin. So the way I get around that is just to like make it more fluffy. I had to pluck the part because the part was really thick, and I added concealer to make it look a little bit more wide and more natural. But yeah, I like the hairline. It is natural. It's not as boxy, but of course it's a regular lace front. It's not the sleek layout tray or the melting hairline. So the hairline isn't as natural as those. I guess you can go in and pluck it a little bit here. I didn't because it's not enough room for me to do it to where I like it. So I just left it alone. Still looks good. But yeah, she's real pretty. Real pretty. Real pretty. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, real pretty. And sorry, I thought I could see my natural hair right there. But this is definitely something that I could wear. I was actually going to take it off after today because I'm like, there's no way I can wear it out in public because it was so thick. But me, how I messed with it, it looks great now. So I'm definitely going to wear this out in public. I feel beautiful. I feel like a ghetto princess. And y'all can tell usually when I'm feeling a wig because I come on here like prancing and stuff. When I'm not feeling a wig, I'm just like this. Yeah, it doesn't shed. As far as like, it is big head friendly to the point where I feel like my ears are being pushed down because the cap is big. But I have a peanut head, so most wigs are big head friendly. That's just what I deal with. So I'd be so happy when a wig is small head friendly, and I know y'all be mad. But this is definitely big head friendly. Can't gauge the shedding. Definitely gonna tangle, but why would you run your fingers through a crimp style? You will see on the TikTok what I use because obviously for me thinning it out and having to brush the hair that I took out, it did fluff it up a bit. But you'll see what product I used. I don't have it with me, but I used like setting lotion, like Motion setting lotion to bring the curl back or get it to lay more flatter and not as fluffy. So that's a product that you can use. And it also sets the crimps so that it doesn't get frizzy throughout the day. Look, I'm so glad I bought this. I had a vision in my head and it came true. I love when the visions in my head come true. Anyway, that's basically all I'm going to say for this. If y'all have any questions, hit your girl up in the comment section below. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok. Deuces.